हंसते उरुण हो जाऊं, या तो लिपट कर आ जाऊं तिरंगे में, या सरहद पर विजयी पताका फहराऊं। यही एक अभिलाषा है एक हिंदुस्तानी फौजी की, नहीं हनुमान जो इस मिट्टी पर उड़ा गए हैं जान, जिनके बलिदानों का हम लोगों पर है एहसान। उन बलिदानों को है मेरे भारत का संदेश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश। इतिहासों में नाम लिखा जो वर्तमान तक लाएंगे, शिलालेख पर स्वर्ण अक्षरों में उनको लिखवाएंगे। भूली पिछली यादें उनकी फिर से जुबां पर आएगी, आने वाली पीढ़ी उनके किस्सों को दोहराएगी। मन जागेगा जन जागेगा, जागेगा परिवेश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, मेरी माटी मेरा देश। The nation's brave Madhy's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the beginning of Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign on July 30. There will be also an Amrit Kalash Yatra during the Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign with 7,500 kalash from villages and other parts of the nation. This Amrit Kalash Yatra will transport soil from these locations to Delhi. Good morning to everyone. We, the students of class 6A, are going to present our special assembly on the topic Meri Mati Mera Desh. As India embarks on a journey to mark 77 years of independence, it does so with an emblematic initiative that reflects the spirit of the nation's past, present and future. Meri Mati Mera Desh, a nationwide people-led to Jan Bhagidari initiative, stands as a poignant tribute to the collective identity and the resolute hero who have shaped the India's destiny. The very essence of this campaign, encapsulated in a tagline, Mitti ko naman, Veeru ka Vandan, is a profound expression of reverence for the soil and an earnest salute to the valiant souls who have safeguarded the nation.
Meri Mati Mera Desh is more than just an event. It's a testament to the remarkable historical achievements that have slummed the Indian campaign narrative. This campaign has aptly embarked upon the journey of commemorating the unsung heroes of the freedom struggle, ensuring that their valor and sacrifice are etched in the annals of the national memory.
At its core, Meri Mati Mera Desh is a clarion call from the unity, participation, spanning from the grassroots to the national level.
Meri Mati Mera Desh is more than a campaign, it is a movement, a manifestation of a collective spirit of India. It underscores the importance of acknowledging our roots, respecting our soil and venerating the guardians of our freedom. This initiative encapsulates the aspiration of the vibrant nation that cherishes its past and look forward to a promising future.
Dedication to Sheila Palakam. This act of installing nameplates of the valiant warrior. The bees serve as a symbol of remembrance and the respect for the brave one who fought for India's freedom.
Punch Pran Pledge, the solemn pledge taken with a fistful of soil on an earthen diya, binds us to the land and the nation, reinforcing our commitment to its well-being and progress. Vasudha Vandan Amrit Vatika. The creation of the Amrit Vatika comprising 75 saplings of indigenous trees gathered from across our country is a nurturing gesture towards our Mother Earth, a pledge to safeguard and enrich our environment.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा हूं। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में, मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं।